So hi, I'm Sudipto. I'm representing Arbitaria. So what the proposal says is we are building a tool. It's a chat GPT bridge to Singularity. So the proposal is we are building a chat GPT plugin that will connect chat GPT users to the Singularity Net and the broader decentralized community at large. So just to give you an example, it's like a sample. So currently, if we go to the Chat GPT prompt, whether it's Chat GPT or Chat GPT Plus, and if we just write just in the prompt like decentralized AI products to buy, which I can buy, it gives a result which is on the left hand side. Like Singularity Net comes up, Oceans protocol comes up, uh, the other ones comes up. So what we try to achieve with this plugin is be more specific and pull out from the SingularityNet marketplace the the products that are already there in the SingularityNet marketplace and can pitch that to the ChatGPT users so they have more visibility about the SingularityNet platform. So that is the main theme of our proposal is we want to create the plugin wherein the plugin will help the SingularityNet community also be known and marketable to the ChatGPT community. We are a one community, but we may be working at different spaces, so it gives more visibility to the SingularityNet platform. So as I said, why this proposal? So ChatGPT Plus is being currently used by 10 plus million users. So without any such plugin that provides user an exposure to that decentralized space, a vast audience is largely unaware of the Singularity Net or the alternative way that we are trying to build a community around. The plugins are currently at a very nascent stage in OpenAI, and it's in beta testing. It needs to be approved. There has to be people who approve it in the ChatGPT thing. And the Singularity community should jump in now rather than later because we know ChatGPT community is growing. Our proposal is to create that plugin that vectorizes some of the contents and which we would want to make them surface and relevant. And the recent updates on the SNet ecosystem should be there also available through and through. So in that way, we would be kind of like showcasing the SNet ecosystem in the Chat GPT network. This plugin will help increase the awareness also among the non-technical people. A lot of non-technical people are using the chat GPT to get things or know things. So that is another way to increase your visibility of the Singularity Net and what is it about, make people curious to know, to jump onto your bandwagon. They might want a product which is already there in Singularity Net Marketplace. It's not about only the community of builders. It has to also, we have to like motivate the users to jump into the community so that they can use the applications or the tools or the apps that we host in the marketplace or the services which we provide in the service in SNet platform. The potential serve is like the discrete market assets. Like we are trying to boost the views, generate interest, create the word of mouth, the vibe. So giving that visibility is the theme of the proposal. And how we plan to do it? We plan to do it in four steps, and it is a 8-week stint. Like we've already mentioned that I will share the entire proposal link in the chat. So at the first step, we would be working with 3 to 4 people in this project who would be initially building the basic shell for the plugin. We'll have the testing and the fixes. We will have reviews set wherein what content which we want to display also would be, there would be a voting and a consensus driven what SNet content we would want to also showcase. It has to be a consensus among the community, coming from the community to what to showcase to the world, so that we are aligned to that. And testing and fixing. Next step is getting into the adding SNet information and documents and vectorizing sample lookups. So we can keep on adding stuff so that as the end user just writes the prompt, they do get interesting information about the SNet ecosystem. And like the final packaging would be the Q&A cycles, the
You're over
delivery.
5 minutes now.
Okay, delivery and beta support. And so this is the four areas where how we would implement our project. A little about us. We are a mentoring startup, Arbitaria. We teach, we have mentors who are technical people who are also working on such projects. And we also teach students of AI to work in the community.
All right.
That's it. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you
you for
very much. Thank you, Sudipto. Thank you so much.